A is for ants, walking in a row. B is for bicycle, ready to go. C is for carrots in the garden bed. D is for dolphin, jumping ahead. E is for egg with chicks popping out. F is for fish, swimming all about. G is for grapes, hanging in the sun. H is for horses, having lots of fun. I is for ice cream, double scooped and sweet. J is for jet, soaring through the heat. K is for kitten, sipping creamy milk. L is for ladybug, crawling smooth as silk. M is for monkey, climbing up the tree. N is for nest, with birds chirping with glee. O is for orange, rolling to the beat. P is for peacock, dancing on its feet. Q is for queen, in her castle so wide. R is for rabbit, playing in the sun outside. S is for squirrel, jumping all around. T is for tiger, sneaking without a sound. U is for unicorn, galloping on a car. V is for violin, playing music so. W is for whale,